Welcome to Elite Models, your ultimate destination for engaging life stories and captivating journeys of the modeling world's most celebrated figures. From legendary runway stars to pioneering fashion influencers, we delve into the lives and careers of those who redefine style and set new standards in the industry. Tune in every week for fresh content featuring rare interviews, exclusive behind-the-scenes access, and inspiring accounts of models who've made a lasting impression on fashion history. Today on our highlight is Jakara Kami was born in the early 2000s. One source lists March 15, 2000 in the United States. From an early age, she demonstrated a natural affinity for movement and self-expression, whether dancing, working out, or simply being in front of a camera. Although she has kept many details of her family and upbringing private, what emerges is a young person with a dual flame of physical discipline and creative ambition. As she moves through adolescence, her interest in fitness and body awareness grew. In this period, she began to see that the body can be a canvas, not just for sport but for identity and self-confidence. Little did she know, this would become the engine of her future digital presence. Finding her path, fitness meets social media. In her late teens and early 20s, Jakara began to merge her fitness journey with social media. Instagram became an outlet where she documented gym sessions, strength training routines, and lifestyle snapshots. She built a community of followers who were drawn not only by the physical transformation component, but by the ethos of self-love and empowerment. One key to her rise was her choice to highlight real movement, discipline, and authenticity, rather than just idealized perfect bodies. Sources describe her style as a mix of gym work, dance, and lifestyle content. Over time, she leveraged platforms like TikTok and Instagram to expand her reach. Her content is frequently tagged under fitness, bodybuilding, gym life, cardio training, and stretching. The public persona and rise in influence. By 2025, Jakara Kami has amassed over 2.2 million followers on Instagram alone. Her engagement rate is measured approx. 1.24% in one analytics snapshot, and her follower growth recent months has been labeled excellent. Background does not seem to emphasize formal celebrity or legacy modeling, rather she carved her niche. She keeps much of her personal life, family, relationships private, focusing public content on work, movement, and brand. Hence the mission becomes inspire, motivate, show that being strong doesn't mean being one particular body type, and that social media presence can be used for positive, disciplined movement, not just aesthetics.